This Salesforce record provides a comprehensive overview of a property currently undergoing disposition. From location details and high-quality images to past evaluations and renovation history, you have everything you need to make informed decisions at your fingertips. The process kicks off with setting up the property. When a property enters the disposition process, a record with all the necessary details is created. This record is automatically assigned to a runner for inspection, and they receive a notification to ensure transparency and timely action. After a meticulous inspection, the runner simply fills in the predefined fields on their end. Once all the information is captured, they check the Property Setup Complete box indicating the completion of the property setup step. The disposition process seamlessly transitions to property evaluation. The assigned realtor is notified about the property. Considering key criteria such as property location, school scoring and other nearby listed properties and more, the realtor evaluates the property and arrives at an initial list price is updated. This is notified at the back-end prompting that the property evaluation is complete and is ready for presenting. After the property evaluation, the buyer with the help of a realtor gets into the process of listing. Based on the initial list price, the buyer can either accept or negotiate the list price with the realtor. On a mutual acknowledgement on the pricing, an agreement is signed between the seller and the realtor. The property is listed on the MLS by the realtor, making it now available for potential buyers to see. The property stage is automatically updated to active on market. A potential buyer, upon expressing interest in viewing the property, has the option to either accept the listed price or engage in negotiations by submitting their offer through the community page. Should the seller not find the initial offer satisfactory, they have the opportunity to renegotiate the price. Otherwise, they may accept the offer, thereby updating the status to offer accepted. The stage has transitioned to transaction management, initiating the creation of a transaction record. This phase encompasses processes such as due diligence and deed transfer. Upon confirmation of closure and subsequent payment, the stage is then updated to closed. The property is now designated as sold, marking the conclusion of the property selling process within a disposition procedure.